Are you looking for the best circular saw of 2025? Whether you're a pro or DIY enthusiast, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top models for precision, power, and ease of use. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DeWalt DCS 391B. At first glance, it looks simple. No fancy laser guides or LED lights, just a basic right-handed saw with its iconic yellow and black design. But once you start using it, the saw's true value becomes clear. Weighing just 7 pounds, it feels lighter than other saws, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use. After an hour of cutting, the battery only drops by a third. This saw may lack features, but it excels in quality, with a magnesium alloy shoe and a quick blade break. Despite its small 6.5-inch blade, it easily handles bevel cuts on 2x4s. Plus, it works with DeWalt's 20-volt battery system. The only downside is the $130 cost for a battery and charger, but the performance and versatility make it worth it. Number 2. Skil 5280-01. When you plug in the Skil 5280-01, a large red LED on top of the handle lights up, clearly indicating that the saw has power, an appreciated safety feature, especially for those who've had trouble with extension cords and wiring. Like other corded saws, it features a full steel plate and metal blade guard. The handle is comfortable, and the safety switch is conveniently within reach of the trigger. The Skil also includes a blade lock for changing the blade and a laser guide for accurate cuts. However, the plate can be harder to read than other models, making adjustments a bit tricky. Beveled cuts, though, are easy to adjust. Keep in mind that, like other corded saws, the Skil lacks an electric brake, so the blade will continue spinning briefly after releasing the trigger. Number 3. Bosch CS180B. It matches many of the DeWalt's features, but in a sleek gray and blue left blade design. Weighing just 6.6 pounds, slightly lighter than the DeWalt, it provides similar comfort with its ergonomic, rubber-coated grip and an easy-to-reach safety button on the handle. The Bosch also offers added safety with a quick-stopping blade brake and a left-sided blade for better visibility of the cutting area and safer travel if kickback occurs. However, if you're accustomed to a right-handed saw, the left blade setup may feel awkward. In action, the Bosch delivers a clean cut through particle board and drywall. Its battery features an indicator similar to the DeWalt's, but you'll need to remove the battery to check the charge. Number 4. Ryobi P5071+. This circular saw is capable of cutting through a range of materials with ease, making it a versatile tool for any DIYer. However, the handle design could be more comfortable, as a seam directly rubs against the palm, which may cause discomfort during extended use. Additionally, once the battery is attached, the saw feels slightly unbalanced, which can affect overall handling. Despite these drawbacks, if you already use the Ryobi One Plus battery platform with other tools, this saw could be a great addition to your collection. It delivers solid cutting performance, and the investment is relatively low. A battery and charger will cost you around $80, so it's a good choice if you're looking to expand your tool set without breaking the bank. Number 5. Black+Decker BDCCS20B. This is highly portable, but it features the smallest blade size of any saw I tested, measuring just 5.5 inches. This limits its cutting capabilities to only the thinnest materials. While it starts cutting through particle board, it struggles to go beyond 2 inches, and its cuts in drywall are ragged and far less clean compared to other saws. It's hard to recommend this saw for anything beyond light tasks, like cutting trim or boards no thicker than 1 inch. On the bright side, it does come with a charger and battery, which adds some value for those already in the Black+Decker system. So, which is the best? After testing, the DeWalt DCS391B comes out on top for its robust performance and reliability. It's a top choice for both professionals and DIYers alike,